We got a hold.
We're rolling.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, rolling. Oh, I thought you said hold.
We ready? Yeah. Sarah, you ready? Good?
All right. What's up, Birdcall? We're floating like a buffalo. It's good to see everybody. Happy Sunday. Yeah, Denver. We gonna rock out for you. Go ahead, Beef. Do it. Let's do it. Birdcall Sunday Streams, only found on the @Birdcall Instagram page. And you're watching it right now. It's Sunday. It's the start of a new week. Let's all have some fun, yeah? Let's play a song for you off our recent EP entitled Vertigo. This song's called Forwards. special crispy chicken sandwiches. You can also order for curbside pickup. You just go on the website, eat.birdcall.com, order your food, be like, hey, I'm over there in 15 minutes, I'm gonna pick it up. You go there, and you pick it up, and you give it, they give it to you, and then you go home. And you got awesome chicken sandwiches. That's how we're down. Go do it. Go do it right now. We're gonna have some Birdcall chicken sandwiches after this. So you should go do it right now. Maybe we'll eat our Birdcall chicken sandwiches together. And it'll be like a whole symbiotic, awesome relationship where we'll just build minds over crispy chicken sandwiches. And it'll be awesome. We'll be walking into the night. Say we'll be talking, feeling alright. Say we'll be smoking, drinking elevation. Say we'll be shredded down heights all across the nation. Said we'll be fighting, no reason why. And we'll be taking this slice of pie. Said we'll be smoking down, pushing revolution. Said we'll be shutting down lights, searching for solutions. Thank you guys so much. We hope you all have just as much fun as we are. It's Sunday Fun Day, dang it. Sunday Fun Day, let's do this. Speaking of Sunday Fun Day and fun things, we gotta give a huge shout out to all the frontline workers across Colorado and across the nation and across the world. You frontline workers have been godsends, you've been angels, you've been amazing. And one of the ones that we want to talk about is Fuel Hope Kitchen. So Fuel Hope Kitchen is an organization that helps feed frontline workers. Sometimes they're on 16 to 20-hour shifts, and these people need to eat. And Fuel Hope Kitchen helps them get their meals in between shifts and on breaks whenever they can. So go to fuelhopekitchen.com and look it up, learn some more, donate to them, help them out because they've done amazing things. We're all dealing with this COVID crisis the best we can. We all gotta come together to do this the right way. We like to do down in New Orleans. So do it so you know just what it means now. Well, I'm ready, gonna get up on the scene now. Like to do down in New Orleans, yeah. Stay too strong, packing all my sweaters up, 'cause it's cold outside. All in the ladders, just wanna get myself back to New Orleans. Like they do in the Big Easy. Some Delta blues, yeah, they're really pleasing. My superfine reef running down low. Jumping and knocking me the cheap as a clown show. Waiting for this day to come, staying up all night, packing all my sweaters up, 'cause it's cold outside. Back to New Orleans. Ladies and gentlemen, on drums we got Mr. Phil Flecker, and on percussion, Garrett Acton. y'all. Thank you so much. So, a little bit more about Fuel Hope Kitchen. They're a nonprofit, by the way. They're a nonprofit organization, and they're focused on getting food to families and who are medical workers, frontline medical workers, and they're in rural areas. It's hard to get some food to them. It's hard to do it. These people have already given over 100,000 meals to people in need, and they're an amazing organization. So seriously, go to fuelhopekitchen.com, learn more about it, learn how you can help them out, learn how you can make a difference in people's lives. Donate some money, give to them, because that's absolutely amazing. All right, we got a couple more songs left. These last two are our other two songs off our most recent EP. It's entitled Vertigo. You can find it on Spotify and anywhere you can find streaming music. This song right here is called FKA. Well, baby, hold up and right, thank you so much. We got one song left for you guys. Thank you so much. We're Float Like a Buffalo. We're from Denver, Colorado. We got to give a huge shout out to the everybody that works at X Saloon and Antero Hall. Ken, Trent, Remi, all of you guys. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it, and for allowing us to use your space to do this live stream. This is amazing. And you gotta support the local music venues, because without the local music venues, there would be no rock stars. That's for sure. So make sure, if you see a band somewhere that's playing a show at one of your favorite venues, go see them. Even if you don't like them, especially right now, just go see them. Buy a ticket. Go in there, buy a drink, buy some tater tots, buy some onion rings. Tip the bartenders 40%, tip them 100%, just do it. We all need this right now. We're all struggling right now as musicians, as venue owners, as bartenders, as sound guys, as lighting guys, as roadies. All of us are struggling. Let's do this, let's make this happen. Let's come out of this with flying colors and make the music scene in the United States of America the best damn music scene in the world! Let's do this! I always think something must have changed. All the possibilities. Catch me surfing on a new wave. Gonna ride until I fade away. Got some time on the same old thing. I don't miss you with the morning. Stay so comfortable, rather be out in the cold. All the colors that you have shown, all the shining that you know I know. But I'd rather be a rolling stone. I don't miss you in the moment. I don't miss you when the sun goes down. No more kisses you're ignoring. I'm away in a different town. I don't know. I was smoking. I must have been choking on your vertigo. So it goes. Never ever get you. I know, no. Always waiting for the moonlight. Always waiting for the moonlight. I'm a winner when it's so low. Now I'm writing you a love song. I love the way that I feel right now. I love to listen to my music now. I love to sing it till I lose my voice. I love to make it live. I know nobody else is there. Nothing else is there. I love it from the church to the grocery store. I love to get high when I feel fine. So it goes. Never touch the ground, vertigo. I've been told. Never get too high, no, vertigo. Birdcall Sunday Strums, thank you so much. We are Float Like a Buffalo. Shout out to X Saloon and Antero Hall. All of you, thank you guys so much. And make sure you go check out fuelholdkitchen.com, because That's an amazing thing. We'll see y'all soon. Peace. Yeah. Do it again. We should do it again because that was not very good.